Hello guys, and welcome to another styling session. Guys, today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to come up with this kind of artificial dreadlocks. So on this particular tutorial guys, it's gonna be a little bit advanced than the other tutorial that we showed. Today we'll be using a double hooked crochet tool. This one we'll be using a 0.5 mm. So welcome guys, like my comment and share to your friends. So let's pick color 1. Now guys, this is color 1. We're going to do the instant crochet on this particular artificial locs one. So to begin with guys, pick your double hooked crochet tool. For beginners, you can use the single hooked crochet tool until you catch up. As usual, let's try and push the crochet to and fro in a certain way. Guys, on my case, I'm trying to push the crochet to and fro in anti-clockwise manner. Have a look. So, unlike our previous tutorial whereby we created certain, patterns by folding the kinky braid in a particular manner, which also created a certain loop at this point. Differently from what we did this time around, we are just leaving the hair strands loose at this particular end so that we can graft from this part, so the current part, so that you can graft the current part from this part. Remember guys, we are going to do color 30 and color 1. So let's go ahead and crochet. Remember to move your crochet in a clockwise manner all the way while tilting your log strands. Ensure you don't break the loops, and whenever you insert the crochet back, make sure you change your direction. If you are doing the instant way in clockwise manner, change and do anti-clockwise manner. That is, this ensures that you tangle the hair strands at that particular point totally, thus coming up with a locked hair portion. That way, you see, that's how you do it guys. I'm just trying to do it in a quick way. Try and slide the crochet as you move on and on. And have a look guys. It is very simple. Whenever you want to pull the crochet out of the log extension, make sure you tilt the crochet in a certain angle just to get off the loops. That's how you tangle the hair to come up with a log strand. Remember guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my work, comment, share to your friends. Can as well guys support the channel by joining membership. That's how you do the instant crochet when making the artificial locs. Have a look how smooth it is to do this. So guys, you need to avoid butchering yourself by being keen. There are many ways on how to do the crochet. This is my own way of doing it. Remember, the crochet is just sliding over this, finger, while this finger here is acting as a stopper. So my thumb is acting as a stopper. So I'm using a double hooked crochet tool. So we have another tutorial that we did recently, which was more based on starters, whereby we used a single hooked crochet tool, that is crochet needle. This time around I'm using a double hooked crochet needle, which is 0.5 mm. So have a look guys. I've done this within those few seconds. So I will flip it that way so that I can do it once more, just to be sure that there are no split ends which will be poking out along the lock strand, the lock extension, that is. So we are done, guys. Now we are going to grab the colored part at this point. So this is our color. This is our color 30. Let's pick a portion. I just need small portion, so I'm going to trim it at this level. A small portion, trim it at that level. Okay. Try and separate the hair strands so that you can get rid of the kinky look. Then you can interchange. So you can interchange that way. Try and interchange so that the braid can look balanced that way. Remember, we had tips on one side, so we need to interchange, separate the braid into two and interchange. And trim it a little bit so that the color does not extend too far. So trim this one a little bit. Then place the black color inside the color number 30. That way, just to disguise the black part and make it gradient. Remember, guys, we are making a shade. The use of your crochet, try and blend the two colors together that way. Stay loose as much as possible. This is to avoid breaking the hair strands. So that's the best way. Or now you can do the instant way. But guys, this is a nice way of coming up with this kind of, point of intersection that can't come out. That is a little bit strong. So let's do the remaining portion. And remember that whenever you are moving backwards as you do the crochet, you usually bend your crochet in a certain angle. You see, it's not straight. I'm not doing it straight that way. I'm trying to bend the crochet in a certain angle so that I can pull the hair strands backwards to tangle them, hence hunting more body to the lock strand. Remember to like my work, comment positively, and share to your friends. And as well, guys, join membership as a way of supporting the channel. This is the hand. You need to tilt your tool and align it along the lock strand so that you can tame the split ends at the finished area. Bend your crochet tool along the braid that way in order to tuck in the tips, which are now the split ends at this particular part, so that the lock strand does not run over time that way. And now this becomes our finished look. Another look, guys, very smooth. You don't have to trim the fringed hair strands. Why? Because there are no lots of them. We have just tried to manage our crocheting method so that you don't come up with many split ends. Remember guys, when the split ends are too many, you'll find yourself trimming along the lock strand, which in other ones weakens the lock strand, and the lock strand might not serve you for a long time. So this is the best way to come up with this kind of lock strand. And the main point was the point of intersection, where now we did the grafting. Remember on our previous tutorial, we showed a different way of grafting at this part. So today we went step ahead. Now stay locked for more tutorials to come. And thank you guys for your time. Thank you for choosing to watch my tutorial to the end. Stay blessed, like my comment, and share to your friends.